The 2015 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.